Did we get all of that on film?
Yeah, oh yeah. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Paul and I are here and we're chasing a trifecta today where it's my day to show him some new spots, so stay tuned. Got a nice little shady spot here under a bridge. Hopefully there's not too much road noise. Hopefully I can get close enough to land something. Alright, see if anything lives under the bridge, shall we? To Sean. Pulling some drag. I need to tighten this up. What we got? I can't see with the shade. Pretty big fish. Oh, a brown. And he just wrapped himself up in mine. Yeah, I got you in the mouth. Come on over here, guy. Come on, don't break the line. Get up here. Okay. One brown in the net. Nice little brownie. I can't get my hands wet, so I'm gonna try to just pull it out of his mouth here. Have to force, oh, right out. Nice and easy. Nice. Get the rod out of the way. Whoops. Not too bad, maybe about 14 or so. I don't want to grab her. Gonna flip her out of the net for you guys. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Thank you, buddy. See if there's any more living under the bridge. That was a pretty nice fish. Actually, that's the first brown of the year. We've caught rainbows, we've caught plenty of brookies. That's the first brown I've hooked up on. Paul's caught a few browns. Maybe there's a rainbow living under this bridge for us too. That'd be nice. Complete the trifecta for the day. They're liking that night crawler pattern though. Fish on. Oh, we got a brookie here too. All right. He's kind of small. Nice little brookie. Nice fish. Gonna try to just flip him off the hook here without touching him too much. You know what? I got the forceps on me now. Go get him, buddy. Thank you. This thing's getting destroyed.
Time to get up and I made you with the 4-inch fuse.
Yeah, right.
There you go.
All right.
Brown Town.
Nice brown.
That's not a nice brown. That's bait. The other end of the Swift River. Oh, it's a rainbow. I got the trifecta.
Oh! I'm over here praying for a rainbow so I can complete mine.
They don't put tigers over here, do they?
I haven't seen that they have. They might. They put them in Lake Quinsigamon.
At first it looked like a brown. Complete the trifecta.
At least somebody hit it today.
Nice rainbow.
Yeah. Fumble!
Released though.
Yeah.
Off the hook.
Yeah.
I bet you that's the one that was rising.
Could be. Another brookie.
Brookie?
Yeah.
Nice one.
Decent size. Right in the nose. Come on up here.
Whoa. Bingo.
Pretty good sized fish. Not too bad. No South Branch brookie, but what?
Freebies. It's a nice one.
Yeah, not too bad. Stupid hatchery fish.
Yeah.
Hey, fish on.
Is it? Yeah. Damn brookie. I was hoping for a tiger.
That would have been nice.
No, you know what would be nice up here? Get a landlocked.
Yeah. I somehow don't think you'll see any of those up here.
You never know. If there's the falls.
Yeah.
Falls at the. I didn't bring my rag.
Oh. What did I do with mine? I might have lost mine.
No,
Oh.
mine's in the car. That's all right. These pants are due for a washing anyway.
Hey, fish on. All right. 2 for Paul here. Easy come, easy go. Fish on. Whoop. Another release. Paul found a sweet spot. Let's see if he'll hit that again. That was a pretty good size one. Oh! Hey, little brookie. This little brookie just destroyed this trout, man. Good looking fish. Whoop. Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, all those, there we go.
Hey.
All those stoppies on Route 9 there, I've serviced all of those. That's a heavy fish.
That's a pretty good size one. That's one I didn't see either.
Bye. Bro. 16 more inches.
Thanks again for watching. Paul caught the trifecta today.
Yep.
He got the biggest brown of the day. He's showing me how to do it even in my own water here. So until next time, First Cast Media, hoping to catch you in the next one.
Bye.